Welcome to Genzo.
Two men dressed as police arrive at a Boston museum just after 1 a.m. The guard buzzes them in. Minutes later, he's in handcuffs, tape over his eyes, while upstairs, priceless art is being cut from its frames. 81 minutes, 13 works, 0 recoveries. This isn't a movie. It's the greatest art heist in history, and the frames still hang empty. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum wasn't just a collection. It was a home-turned gallery, curated like a work of art itself. Its charm came with quirks, unusual layout, night staffing by only 2 guards, and a security system that relied more on routine than on force. It's the early hours of March 18th, 1990. Boston is quiet after a night of celebration. At the side entrance, a buzzer rings. The men outside say they're responding to a disturbance. The guard makes the decision that will echo for decades. He lets them in. Once inside, the officers move quickly. The guard is pulled away from the desk, frisked, and cuffed. He's told it's a warrant. Instead, he's taped and led to the basement, where a second guard is already restrained. With the desk unmanned, the museum is theirs. The thieves move to the Dutch room. Rembrandt's The Storm on the Sea of Galilee, A Lady and Gentleman in Black, and Vermeer's The Concert Vanish, canvases cut from their frames. They take a landscape then attributed to Rembrandt, now linked to Govert Flinck, drawings by Degas, Manet's Chez Tortoni, a small Chinese bronze, and a gilded eagle finial. 13 in total. Insurance can price them. The world cannot replace them. No lasers, no acrobatics, just control and time. They avoid some sensors, trigger others, and work anyway. Cutting canvases is faster than lifting framed works. They locate parts of the security system and remove or tamper with recordings before they leave. From entry to exit, about 81 minutes. They load the car in multiple trips. Then the night returns to silence until the morning shift arrives and discovers a museum of empty frames. By sunrise, it's global news. Investigators pull timelines, sensor logs, and statements. A reward is offered. Tips flood in from around the world. Yet the heist feels different. Too controlled, too practiced, and above all, too clean. 1. Organized crime connections. The style and confidence suggest pros. 2. Inside knowledge. They seem to know the weak points. 3. Opportunists with discipline. Fewer people, fewer leaks. Each theory explains something, but none explains everything. You can't sell a Vermeer at a yard sale. Stolen masterpieces become too famous to trade. They shift into the shadows as leverage, insurance, influence, or bargaining chips. Ransom notes appear, go nowhere. Decades pass, leads warm, then go cold. The Gardner's empty frames are not decorations. Their absence made visible, a daily reminder that what we lose in a night can haunt us for a century. Students, artists, and visitors meet the missing art through the space it left behind. The case lingers because it's unsolved, but it lasts because it's human. A doorbell, a decision, a quiet hall, and art that never came home. If a museum can vanish in plain sight, what else can? That question is the echo this heist left behind. If this story moved you, there's more. Subscribe to Genzo for origin stories and history mysteries. Comment what shocked you most, the fake cops, the empty frames, or the no recovery.